Good morning.
Okay. The bird and the bumblebee. It is a very hot day. The sun is shining brightly. There are no clouds in the sky. Bumblebee stops by a stream for a drink. Suddenly, she slips and falls into the water. She tries hard to get out of the water, but she cannot. Help! Help! Cries Bubble. What happened to the bumblebee, Didi?
Go inside.
Inside where?
Inside.
Inside where?
The swimming pool.
The pond. Just then, Brittany Bird flies past.
Past?
Past! It's a past. See, it's a letter P, not an F. She sees Bubble in the water. Quickly, she plucks a leaf from a tree and drops into the stream. Climb onto the leaf, she yells to Bubble. What happened to Bumblebee? Drowning? And who's helping the bumblebee?
The bird.
The bird. Very good. Bubble climbs onto the leaf. She is safe. Thank you, bird, says Bubble in a soft voice. I shall never forget your kindness to me. Knows how to say thank you, no? See, Bubble. One day, a hunter comes to the forest.
Mama, I say thank you to Daddy for buying my slippers.
Oh, that's very good. What did Daddy told you in return?
Thank you.
Thank you also?
No, welcome.
Welcome. He sees Brittany Bird in a tree. What a nice fat bird, he thinks to himself. It will make good soup. Uh-oh. The hunter lifts his gun and aims. He does not see the little bumblebee flying towards him. Brittany does not know the hunter is there. What is the bumblebee going to do with the hunter?
Gonna go inside and
He's going to bite. Suddenly, the hunter screams loudly. He drops his gun. Bumblebee has stung him.
Mama, does it look like?
That's a ladybird.
Does it look like a ladybird?
It's a ladybug. You can call it ladybird or ladybug. It's a small insect.
It doesn't look like a ladybug.
Are you sure? It does look like a ladybug.
But look.
Or maybe that's just the way it was drawn. Brittany hears the hunter screams and flies away. Thank you for saving my life, she says to Bubble.
Why she say like that?
Because Bumblebee saved Brittany Bird.
Oh yeah.
Do you like the story?
Apa?
What did you learn from the story?
Mama.
What did you learn? When we help others,
When we help others,
others will help us too.
others will help us too.
Can you sing us a song?
Mama,
Mm-mm.
can I watch with Daddy?
Mm.